In Edit mode, we can set up how users can interact with our design, locking and unlocking the elements we want them to interact with. At the top of the screen, we have the template settings, save options, and a toggle to switch between editing and previewing our template. Previewing lets us test the user customization experience. Then we can switch back to Edit to adjust any options. At the top left of the screen, we have toggle frame edges, toggle placeholders, and snapshot thumbnail control. The toggle frame edges allow us to show and hide guides and frame edges. Switch to placeholder allows us to see any text placeholders used in our design. And the snapshot button to generate a thumbnail for our template. If we select an element of the design, we also get some additional options in this bar. These allow us to copy, paste, move forward and backward, group, and delete items. On the right, we have our placeholder palette, where we can adjust their settings and behavior. A text styles palette, where we can set up styles for users to access. A layer palette, where we can control the order and visibility of the design elements. A user profile palette to access user information. On the left of the preview is our Design Elements toolbar. From here, we can add new elements to our design. Above the preview area are the Undo and Redo buttons, in addition to the Pan and Zoom controls. The standard Control/Command+ and - keyboard shortcuts also work for these options. In the preview area, we can adjust the design itself, modifying the size, shape, position, and content of the various elements. Below the preview are the paging controls. You can add and remove pages in addition to navigating between them. On the right is the Context-Sensitive Properties panel. This will show you the properties and options of any item you have selected. For text areas, you can see the fonts and paragraph settings. Options is where you can set up how users can interact with a selected item. And that's it. We've now explored the whole template configuration area.